The topic is measuring the rate of motion speed. What is speed? Speed is the distance covered per unit time. Or we can say that it is the ratio of distance to the time taken. What are the units of speed? There are different kinds of unit of speeds. The first is the SI unit, that is Standard International Unit, which is meter per second. This can be written as this, meter per second. Next is the CGS unit, which is centimeter per second. That can be represented like this. And commonly for vehicles, we use kilometer per hour because vehicles cover larger distance and cover the distance in kilometers. That's why we use kilometers per hour for vehicles. And speed is scalar quantity because it has only magnitude and it is independent of direction. So this is what about speed. Next there are different types of speeds. There are 4 types of speed mainly we have. The first is the uniform speed, or we can say that the constant speed. Uniform means constant. So when an object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, we can say that it is a case of uniform motion in which an object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. We can say that an object covers uniform speed or constant speed. Like for example, a bus traveling at 60 km per hour consistently covers 60 km every hour. Means in every hour, a bus is going to cover 60 kilometers. So this is constant. Light and radio waves travel with the uniform speed of 3 multiplied 10 to the power 8 meter per second in air, which is constant. So we can say that this is also an example of constant speed. Next is the non-uniform speed or variable speed. Object covers unequal distance in equal time intervals or equal distance in unequal time intervals. So this is a case of non-uniform motion. So in a case of non-uniform motion, an object cover variable speed because the distance intervals or the time intervals, one of them can be unequal. So this can be common in real world scenarios such as vehicles in traffic, train between stations, and lifts in the buildings. These are the common examples of non-uniform speeds. Next part is the average speed. What is average speed? While we are going, while we are consider the example of non-uniform motion. So for non-uniform motion, there is no any kind of fixed formula to calculate the rate of speed. So for that, for which we have to use average speed. These are objects moving in non-uniform motion. So average speed we will calculate for the objects that are moving in non-uniform motion. So we describe the rate of motion in terms of their average speed. So it is the ratio of total distance traveled to the total time taken. This is the formula for average speed, that is total distance covered by the total time taken. Next is instantaneous speed. Instantaneous means we are talking about particular instant. Like in a journey of 0 to 2 hours or in a journey of 2 hours, I am asking you about the speed at 1.5 hour particularly. So the speed of an object at a particular instant during its motion is known as instantaneous speed, and it is measured by the speedometers that is pre-installed in the vehicles and speed guns that is used by traffic police.